Today we will learn about create and apply style in document. So first of all, we should understand what is style. So style is a set of text formatting. Text formatting includes font size, color, alignment, line setting. So combination of these is called style. Like we said, heading 1. So heading 1 style means to make the text larger in blue color and make it bold. Likewise, we can set the title, we can set the heading 2. So heading 1, heading 2, title, subtitle, what are these? These are style. So how to apply these type of styles in Word document? So first of all, I am going to Word document. I am typing my name here. Now I want to apply the style. So first of all, I will select the particular sentence or word or any paragraph on which you want to apply the style. Then in home tab you will find the styles group. In styles group you will find different kind of styles. Directly you can apply the style from here, like heading 1, title, subtitle, strong. If you want to write in the quotation form, so you can write, you can apply the quote, subtitle. And if you want to apply the particular more styles, so click on the down arrow. You will find more styles like intense code, emphasis, book title, subtitle. And now if you want to change the color of it, you can change the color from here. If you want to change the font type of the particular style, so you can go to the font and you'll find the drop down list. You can choose any of the font type. So by this method you can apply the style or the text. Now the question is how to create new style. To create new style, first of all you will go to the home tab and then go to styles tab, go to right down corner. When you click on the right down corner, you will find the styles drop down list. In the styles drop down list, at the bottom side you will find the first option, that is new style. When you click on the new style, you will find create new style from formatting dialog box. In this dialog box you can see the style name, style type, style based on the different boxes are given there. Here you can put the style name, like I want to give my new style, and then style type on which you want to apply the style, on the paragraph, on the character, or both, or table or list. So they are the 5 kind of styles: paragraph, character, linked, table and list. I want to apply on paragraph, so that's why I will click on paragraph. And then style based on, if you want to apply the style on predefined style, like I want to apply in the form of subtitle, so I will click on subtitle. And from here I can change the font type. I don't want these font, I want Times New Roman. I want font size 14, and I want to make these contents bold. I'm going to change color, like I want to put red color. And then I want to set line spacing and alignment center. Then click on OK. When you click on OK, what will you find? The new style will be added in styles group. Now when you type the paragraph, you will find the new style is applied. So this is a way to apply the new style. Now how to modify that style which you have applied? So select that paragraph of which you modify the style, then go to home tab, click on styles group, click on right down corner, then you will find the selected style click there, you'll find the down arrow. On the down arrow you'll find a list. Select modify option. When you click on the modify option, you will find the modify style dialog box. Here you can see the name, applied name. You can change here the name also. You can change the style type. Now I want to apply this on paragraph and character both. So if you want to change style based on, I want to set normal form, so I will click on normal. And if I want to change the alignment left, if I want to change the font type, like I want to set Comic Sans MS. Font size I want 16. I want to change color, and then I'll click on OK button. After modification you will click on OK button. What will you find? The style is changed now. Now when you type it, you can apply it on the paragraph or on the character also. So this is a way to modify style. Thank you and have a nice day.